皆さん、こんにちは。お元気ですか？ So today's goal is エアコンのリモコンなど家電を操作するための表示を見てどのボタンを押せばいいかわかる is the goal today. So, first, the laundry machine or washing machine. Okay? So, this is exactly what look like the Japanese washing machine buttons. Okay, so there are lots of menus you can choose from. And first, you need to power on. You need to turn it on if you want to use it, right? So this is the power. 電源 power. It also means outlet. Outlet, we say コンセント. But sometimes they say 電源. Okay, so you gotta plug in or plug it out, outlet or power. Okay, and this is start. Okay, so you need to start, but before you start the washing process, you need to choose the course. Course, it means mode or course. So what kind of course or what kind of mode you want to choose from? These are the menus or course or mode, whatever. So, お急ぎ、手洗い. These are my suggestions. So, お急ぎ is rush. So, if you choose お急ぎ, it makes the time shorter if you want to wash it, okay? So, in a rush. So, which means you can make it short time, okay? So, there's no big difference if you just wash your clothes, right? But sometimes you need 手洗い mode. 手洗い is it means hand washing. You don't literally wash clothes by hand with the wash machine. That means it wash soft, okay, nicely. So if you have any the clothes that have a lot of, beads or whatever fancy clothes or dresses that can actually wash in a wash machine, then you want to choose this 手洗い mode. So how do you choose? This is only one button, right? So if you press one time, hit the one time here, hit, then you choose 標準. 標準 is normal or regular. So it means regular, normal, okay? So it takes time, like 30 minutes or so. And here the indicator shows 1 if you press 1 time. You can't just press here. There's no buttons. Okay? It's just written here. So if you press this button twice, then you can choose お急ぎ or something like that. So 6th time, 総洗浄. This is you wanna wash the wash machine. So there is a container in the wash machine, right? So this is the そう. This kanji, そう. And 洗浄 is wash, cleanly washed. So you don't want to put the clothes in the wash machine if you press 6 times and you choose this mode. Okay? Alright. So 予約. You put the clothes and you let the wash machine starts washing process at a certain time. So if you wanna let it start from 6 a.m., then you choose 予約 or something. Okay? Well, and 水量. Water amount, which means the amount of the water you want to wash with. So you don't have to choose this on purpose. It's gonna out. Okay, it automatically choose the amount of the water depending on how heavy your clothes you put in the wash machine. So it doesn't necessary, but unless if you want to choose the amount of the water. All right. Well, on the next page, air conditioning remote controller. Okay, so this is my air conditioning remote control. It's small, right? And this is what it looked like. And this. So when you're hot, when it is hot, what button if you want to press? It seems like this because this is blue and it looks cooler than any other colors, right? It's correct. But in Japan, it's very humid at the same time in the summer. So if you're living close to the ocean, or even if you're living in far away from the ocean, but you still feel humid. When you're in a room and you feel very stuffy, so when it's happened, if you press this 冷房, the cooling, then it won't work sometimes. Do you know why? Because it's very humid. So when it's not working, even if you press this 冷房 cooler, then you want to press this green button, 除湿. It means dehumidity. So you can dry the room so you don't feel stuffy in the room. So sometimes just choosing this 除湿 could work more than 冷房 cooler. Okay, so, and if it's winter and if you feel very cold, then you press this red button or pink, 暖房. All right, and what if you choose automatic, 自動, then the air conditioning machine detects the room temperature and it automatically choose cooler or the humid or the heater. Okay, that's convenient, right? And this 風量 amount of the wind. So the air conditioning machine blows the wind, right? So if you don't want to make any wind, so you choose less, or you can choose more. And 風向き, the direction wind. So you can control where the wind blowing goes. Well, this is 停止, stop. If you want to stop it, and you press this. And timer, how many hours it is going to be on, or it is going to be off after the timer. And this is delete the timer if you've set it wrong. And 温度, this temperature. So you can if you choose the cooler and you want to set the temperature, room temperature, 18 or 19, 20, whatever comfortable with you. So, and my remote controller has this エコ自動. Eco means eco. eco. So you can save the money. It automatically reduces the power. So I always use this. All right. And this is 扇風機. That means air fan, air circulator or something. Then you don't have to turn the air conditioning on. You can just use the air conditioner as an air fan, something like that. All right, so if you have any questions, you can also comment down below as well. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。